We see the Dow now up 180 points. You can actually look at that chart and see that we were negative to open today when this decision from the Supreme Court came out. Stocks did trade higher, and now we're up about almost 200 points on the Dow. Look, the market wanted this decision. The investors have not liked these new costs on companies that they pay when they import products. Anytime we've gotten news that effectively rolls back tariffs, we have seen a positive reaction in markets, though it's worth noting this is not a huge spike. A lot of investors, traders, analysts did expect this could be coming. They thought that there was the justification for these tariffs from the president would get struck down. So that might be why you're not seeing, say a 500-point move or higher in the Dow right now. The question then for businesses is what this does for the bottom line. And it's not just the refunds, which Devin was just talking about. It's also the idea, Diane, that this does eliminate some uncertainty for companies going forward. I was just talking to one trader who said this is good news for big and small companies because it makes it less likely that we will see these sweeping across the board tariffs put in place that really upend their bottom line, their business model, and any ability to plan based on how back and forth this has been over the last few months. If the president does not have this authority to kind of put these tariffs in place and has to use more targeted measures, that is a big that reduces some of the overhang that we've seen on businesses' costs. That said, a lot of investors and companies I've talked to do expect that the administration will find other ways to put tariffs in place. There are other laws that allow them to do more targeted tariffs on industries. We've already seen them do that with Section 232, for example, on steel. Very likely we will see the administration come out with some of those other plans. They've been hinting at that. Treasury officials we've talked to are already preparing to find other ways to put tariffs in place. So it doesn't mean that the tariff threat is completely gone here for businesses, Diane.